So students, in this third video, let us continue in statistics to study about percentage bar graph or diagram. In the town Arvi, 42 trees out of 60 trees planted are survived, and in the town Morsi, 45 trees out of 75 are survived. In the town Barshi, 45 trees out of 90 are survived. To know in which town the plantation is more successful, only number of trees planted are not sufficient. For that, we have to find the percentage of survived trees. Hence, it's called as percentage bar graph or diagram. In RV, the percentage of trees survived is 42 out of 60 trees into 100. So after you solve this, you get 70%. In Morshi, the percentage of trees survived is 45 out of 75. So into multiplied by 100, that is 60%. So from these percentages, notice that the percentage of survival of trees in RV is more. It means the percentage is given somewhat different information. A subdivided bar graph which is drawn by converting the data into percentage is called a percentage bar graph. Okay, so this definition you should know. A subdivided bar graph which is drawn by converting the data into percentages is called a percentage bar graph. That means percentage bar graph is a specific type of subdivided bar graph. We draw the percentage bar graph of the above data using the following steps. First of all, we prepare a table as follows. So town, Arvi, Morshi and Barshi. Total number of trees 60, 75 and 90. Trees survived 42, 45 and 45. Percentage of the survived trees. So we find the percentage. 42 upon 60 into 100 is equal to 70. 45 upon 75 into 100 is equal to 60. 45 upon 90 into 100 is equal to 50. So based on this information, we will draw the percentage bar graph. Now again, the x-axis, the y-axis and the x-axis and the scale on y-axis is 1 centimeter equal to 10%. So this is 0. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And the names of the villages or towns, Arvi, Morsi and Barshi. Keep 1 centimeter gap. Now, trees survived is shown by blue mark here and trees unsurvived are blanks here. So, in the percentage bar graph, all bars are of height 100. Remember that, it is percentage. So, all will be of 100 height, all the bars. In each bar, we show percentage of survived trees. Remaining part shows the percentage of trees which did not survive. So these are trees which did not survive and these are survived. A percentage bar graph is a specific type of subdivided bar graph. So the remaining procedure of drawing a percentage bar graph is the same as that of a subdivided bar graph. Okay, I hope you have followed this. Now let us see how to draw the percentage bar graph. Practice set 11.3. Show the following information by a percentage bar graph. So, division of standard 8, A division, B, C and D. Number of students securing A grade 45, 33, 10 and 15. Total number of students 60, 55, 40 and 75. So now let us draw the percentage bar graph. So first thing, you have to prepare a table in which you have to show the percentages. You have to calculate the percentages. So similarly, I have drawn a table here. This is the information already given. The last column, you have to find the percentage. 45 upon 60 into 100, that is equal to 75. Excuse me. B division, 33 upon 55 into 100 is equal to 60. C division 10 upon 40 into 100 is 25%. And D division 15 upon 75 into 100 is equal to 20%. Okay, so this has to be calculated. Again, on the graph, we'll draw the y-axis and the x-axis. Again, the scale on y-axis is 1 centimeter is equal to 10%. So 0 to 100. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And the divisions on the x-axis. So A division. So all the graphs will be of 100, right? Okay? Yes. We have to show them as 100. So calculate, you have to draw all of them as 100. Till 100 you will show them. So the first one is A division. How we did for the previous one, the same way we will be doing it for the other one also. So we will show 100. First let's draw all 100 and keep so that it is easier. Okay, so let's see a gap of 1 centimeter. C division now. You just draw and keep all 100 so that it is followed easily. Okay, now you have to show how many students have securing A grade. So first year students securing A grade we have to show with the mark here. Okay, so here let us see in the A division 75%. So 75% students have secured A grade. Okay, so let us show 75%. So this is 75% as here. So we can draw lines here. Okay, like this. And you can draw much more better. B division 60%. Okay, so 60% in B division. I am not drawing many lines here because it looks more untidy otherwise. Okay, next C division 25%. So let's see, 25% is your, so here this. Okay, and the last D division is 20%. Okay, so 20%. So I hope you all will be able to draw this graph according to the information given. So in the graph paper, you have to write the tables here. First write the question here. First always write the question and then this second table. So the first table and the second table, and here you will show the bar graph on this table. So based on this, I hope you have followed how to draw the percentage bar graph. Now let us go to the second question there. Okay, so the second question says that here, okay, the second question, observe the following graph and answer the questions. So here the farmers are shown here, Ajita, Yash, Ravi and Sudha, and here the production in the form is shown here from 10 to 100. The blue mark shows you production of tur and the blank mark shows production of gram. Okay, scale is 1 centimeter equal to 10% on y-axis. Now state the type of bar graph. So this is percentage bar graph. You can write there, percentage bar graph. Second question, how much percent is the tur production to total production in Ajita's farm? So you can see it is 60% out of the total 100%, it is 60%. Okay. Next, compare the production of gram in the farms of Yash and Ravi. Yash and Ravi, we have to compare them and state whose percentage of production is more and by how much. So Yash and Ravi, see, this is 50% and this is 70%. So 70 minus 50 is 20. So Yash is 20% more. Fourth question, whose percentage production of tur is the least? So here you can see Sudha's production is the least. Fifth one, state the production percentages of tur and gram in Sudha's farm. So in Sudha's farm, tur is 40%, you can see here, and gram is 60%. So I hope you have followed how to draw these bar graphs. Now the third question, the following data is collected in a survey of some students of standard 10th from some schools. Draw the percentage bar graph of the given data. So looking at this, you will do this third question for your homework. You will draw this bar graph at home. I am keeping one question for homework only. So please complete your homework on statistics. Okay, this you have to do in your graph notebook only. Okay, thank you students.